welcome back to another Behind the Brand video. I'm currently filming this on a Friday afternoon. I've got the whole weekend off from my day job and I have a lot of Rosery Apparel things planned for this weekend. The main thing being making a batch of wrap skirts for roseryapparel.com. I'm going to be making the wrap skirts out of these fabrics here. I've been collecting these fabrics for a number of months now. They're all remnants and leftover pieces of fabric from past projects I've been making. These are what I'm going to be making the wrap skirts out of. So I thought to start this video I would show you the fabrics and talk you through them. So the first one is this beautiful gingham that I actually found in my stash that had just been sitting there for ages. I'm really excited to have found that one. This one was a remnant I picked up from work. It's just a cheesecloth in this beautiful mustard colour. I kind of love the texture of the cheesecloth, and I think with the ruffles of the wrap skirt it's just gonna look really nice. Very happy to find that one. Another remnant from work. I'm not sure about this. This is very out there for Rosery. I have never really worked with fabric like this before, but I think it will make a really cool wrap skirt. So that is just a kind of cotton fabric with this beautiful leaf print. This is another leftover piece from a past project. I recently made a dress for a wedding. This was the fabric I made out of it. I'll leave a link to an Instagram post that I took of the dress so you can have a look. And there is just enough for one wrap skirt of this. Hopefully, I haven't actually measured that one yet, so hopefully there'll be enough. This one's another past project fabric. I made a beautiful long sleeve dress with this fabric and it turned out amazing. And I had a little bit left over. Again, I'll leave a link to an Instagram post where I posted the photo of the dress I made out of this. It's my new favorite dress, so definitely check it out. And lastly, this is the only secondhand fabric I've got in this pile, and I bought it from an op shop recently. It's just this beautiful heavier weight cotton canvas kind of fabric, but I think the heaviness of it will make a nice structured kind of wrap skirt. So yeah, happy with that find too. So this afternoon I'm going to just spend some time cutting out the pieces for the wrap skirt. I won't get started on the making process until tomorrow, but I just want to have them cut out and ready to go so tomorrow I can get straight in and start making them. But before I cut them out, I've actually done a bit of rearranging in my sewing space, and I thought I would just give you a little quick look at how I've set it up. I really like it at the moment, and I think I might keep it this way for a little while at least. So I think I've showed this in a past video, but this is my new cutting table that I made a couple of months ago. It's been a game changer for me to have somewhere to cut all my dresses and things out on. So there's the door, and my cutting table is just in this corner with this cute little green chair I picked up from an op shop. In the corner I've got some cute little pop plants as well. Then I've got my dresses here hanging up nicely. I made some cute little sandbags to hold them in place. And then in this corner, I've got my sewing table now. The reason I've moved into this corner is because Matt has decided he would like to share this space with me. He realised it was such a nice space, and I knew I was too lucky to have it on my own. So yeah, a little his and her desk in the sewing space now, which I think looks really cute. My most watched video on my YouTube channel is a sewing space tour I did years and years ago. So I'm thinking of filming an updated sewing space tour very soon. So if you're interested to see a bit more in depth of the things and products I have in my sewing space, then be sure to subscribe to my channel so you will know exactly when that video goes live. For the rest of this afternoon, I'm just gonna spend some time cutting out the wrap skirts ready for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna make some time lapses of me doing that now, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. So it's Saturday morning, it's a beautiful day, and Matt and I are walking to the farmers market for breakfast.
They know my name now?
Yep. Well, I'm going to start making the wrap skirts. I'm going to make 3 to start with. This floral one, the mustard floral, and this beautiful paprika coloured one as well. I'm going to show the making process of them. I'm going to try and do it a bit more in detail than I usually do in my behind the brand videos. So a bit more like when I share the making process on my Instagram story. So let's see how it goes. So the first thing I need to do is sew the skirt pieces together and then create a ruffle for the bottom of the skirt. So that's the ruffle attached. So the ruffle is done. I'm loving the colour of this one. I think it's really pretty. So now I just need to make the waistband and the little tie that wraps the skirt around the waist. Okay, here's what it looks like at the moment. So the last thing I have to do is make a little buttonhole on the side of the skirt where this long tie will feed through in order to wrap it around the body. So to do that, I am going to use my water erasable marker to make a little mark where I need to make the buttonhole, and then I'll quickly make a buttonhole and then it's done. So the little buttonhole is made. Buttonhole. Let's start that again. Okay, so the little buttonhole is finished, and now for the final touch, putting the little Rosery Apparel tag in like that. It's done. I love the colour of this one. Bit of a close-up of the ruffles and a little Rosery Apparel tag just to finish it off nicely. And now to make a couple more. I've managed to finish 2 of the wrap skirts today. I was hoping to make 3, but I think I'll just wake up early in the morning and finish the 3rd one. I'm really happy with how these 2 have turned out that I've made today though. Let me give you a little look. Here they are. I really want to keep them both, to be honest, but I've already got a dress in both of these fabrics, so I don't really need a skirt as well. As for the rest of today, I'm going to now take my makeup off, get into my comfy clothes, and make myself a cup of tea and play my favourite game, Stardew Valley. Yes! later now. I have a pile of completed wrap skirts right beside me, and this morning I spent some time putting the finishing touches to them, so sewing in the Rosery Apparel labels into the back of them. So now they are all ready to take photos for roseryapparel.com. I'll quickly show you them in a second, but before I do that, I just wanted to show you some of the new swing tags, I think they're called, that I've made for each garment. They just look like this. What I really like about these is on the back I have put a section where it will say one of however many of each product have been made, so that way you will know when you purchase something what order yours was made in and how many of that product was made. There's also a little section to put the size in as well. But yeah, I'm really happy with how they've turned out. So let me quickly show you the wrap skirts now that they're all finished. First one is the heavier kind of cotton floral wrap skirt, which turned out lovely. I had enough for 2 wrap skirts, so I'll have this one available in size 10 to 12 and 14 to 16. This one turned out really cool actually, I'm really happy with it. There was only enough fabric for one of these though, unfortunately, so this one's available in size 6 to 8. This beautiful paprika linen fabric, which is the same as the dress I'm wearing today, as you can see. Only enough for one of these as well. And this one will also be available in size 6 to 8, the gingham one. I had enough fabric for 2 of this one, so this one will be available in size 10 to 12 and 14 to 16. And this one, oh, it's so divine. I think it's my favourite of the batch. This is the mustard floral. The rayon actually worked really well as a wrap skirt because it's nice and floaty, which is very different to the heavier ones, which I thought would turn out a lot better. There's only enough fabric for one of these ones, I'm afraid, so this one is a size 10 to 12. And the last one is this mustard cheesecloth, which I also love a lot. There's only enough fabric for one of these ones as well in size 6 to 8. So I'm going to take some photos of those now, ready to put them up on roseryapparel.com. I think I'll do what I did in the last behind the brand video and do a little time lapse of the photo taking process, because I think that turned out really cool. So the wrap skirts are now photographed, everything's done, so I think I might end the video here. By the time this video goes live, the wrap skirts will be available to purchase, so I'll leave a link down in the description if you'd like to go and check them out. Yeah, I'm really proud of this video, I think. It's been really satisfying to film the start of the wrap skirts all the way to the very finish, so hopefully it was enjoyable to watch. If you'd like to know when I next upload a video, then please subscribe to my channel and you will be the first to know. Thanks for watching!